Hello everyone, it's Mrs. King here, and today we are going to be looking at our number bonds. I know everybody loves the number bond songs, so I hope that you've been practicing them. Okay, right, today's activity I'm going to use my mystery bag again, and inside my mystery bag we have the numbers 1 to 5. I have my number cards, and on my number cards I have actually written the number bonds for each number. So for example, if I look at 1, the number bond is 1 add 0 equals 1, and also 0 add 1 equals 1. So to play this game, I'm going to put my numbers 1 to 5 into my mystery bag. If you want a bit of an extra challenge, you can also do this with the number bonds 2, 6 and 7 as well. Okay, let me give my bag a good rustle. I wonder which card I'm going to pull out. Oh, I have the number card 1. All right, everybody, we're going to make this number bond with our hands. 1 add 0 is 1. And what's the other way? 0 add 1 is 1. Excellent. Now let's move on to another one. Oh, what's my number? It's number 3. Okay, what are the number bonds 2, 3? 3 add 0 is 3, and 2 add 1 is 3. And did you know that if we just swap the numbers around in the addition sentence, it still makes the same number? So if we had a look at 3 add 0 is 3, if I just swap that around, swap the numbers around and say 0 add 3 is 3, that still makes 3. I think a lot of us need to remember that we can do that. And also 1 add 2 is 3. So your challenge is to make sure you know the number bonds 1 to 5. Your adult will ask you to tell you the number bonds of every number that you pull out of the mystery bag. But I know when I try and do my number bonds at home, the number bonds which I find really tricky are the number bonds to 5. So this is what I'm going to do to try and help me remember my number bonds to 5. Okay, first of all, I have drawn a 5's frame. So that basically is a box with 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to make it using our frame, and we're going to write the number sentences. So I'm going to pretend that these are white counters, okay? So first of all, I can see that if I have 5 white counters and then I add 0 counters on there, that will equal 5. And I can write that on the number bond diagram up here. So 5 equals 5, add 0 is 5. And I can also make that with my fingers. 5 add 0 is 5. Now let's move on. So if I have 4 white counters and then I add 1 blue one on, so I have 4 white counters and I'm going to add 1 blue one on, that still equals 5 because I haven't taken any away. And I can make that with my fingers. 4 add 1 is 5. And I can draw it on my diagram. So 5, how can you make 5? 4 add 1 is 5. That is a bit of a challenge. So it would be great if some of you could try and do that at home. I wonder if you can memorise all of the number bonds. And let's move on again. I wonder if there's another way to make 5. Okay, so I had coloured in one counter. I'm going to colour in another one. So now I have 3 white counters and I have now made 2 blue counters, and that equals 5. And I can make that with my fingers. 3 add 2 is 5, and I can write it in my number bond diagram. So 5 equals 3 add 2. So your challenge is to find out all the ways to make the number bonds to 5. Remember that you can always swap the numbers around. So 5 add 0 equals 5, but also 0 add 5 equals 5. Good luck with your challenge, and remember to send your work to Miss Mackenzie or Mrs King at readley.lancs.school.uk. Bye bye.